Wasn't the Olympics, but it felt that big.
The wait is over.
It's been a really long time. We need to get best on best back at those big games where it's country against country and it becomes more than hockey.
Opening night of the Four Nations face-off.
I've watched all you guys lay in traffic for each other. Now go lay in traffic for your country.
Wayne Gretzky, he's put himself out there, and he's done that for the country and for the game.
I changed the lyrics to the anthem.
I felt like standing up for my country.
Tonight, the United States plays Canada.
Let's get ready for an epic battle.
I'd like to see Canada become our 51st state.
What did you think when he started calling you governor?
He's had better insults to me than that.
I intend to resign.
It was just the perfect storm. The real world and then also hockey.
The importance of this cannot be overstated. How hockey was used as a vehicle to galvanize a nation.
To be fighting an international, when does that happen?
3 fights, 9 seconds.
It's so bizarre that it all culminated in a hockey game.